Hey guys, Trooper here, and welcome back to A Hat in Time. I gotta get used to the controls again. It's been a little bit since I played this. Okay, so we were on the boss level, if I remember correctly. Alright, let's do this. I don't know how prepared I am, but that's okay. Also, alongside GW, which should have already come out, hopefully. If not, it's coming out on Friday. There should also be a Saturday release, which will be another older series that I'm going back to finish, finally. There are a few of those that I need to do. Okay, there's the...
You took your time. Help get these brutes.
Alright, I can skip.
Good job, kid.
I have to go through this part of the level again.
never you in right. Down! Supercharge! Away with you! Supercharge!
I'm already failing pretty bad.
You're no match for me! Supercharge! I'm gonna get you! I've got your friend captured, and soon you will both perish!
Let go of me, you
You're
psycho!
no match for me!
Well,
Bam! Mafia Ball!
well, I'm gonna give this another shot now. Well, it's better, I guess.
Supercharge! I'm gonna get you! Supercharge!
Alright.
Blammo! I've got your friend captured, and soon you will both perish!
Let go of me, you psycho!
Bam!
Alright, this is...
Mafia Ball!
nice.
You're no match for me!
Nice.
Ultra Charge! Mega Charge! Mafia Ball!
Okay. So far, so good.
Ultra Charge! Mega Charge! It can't be!
Yes! I did it! Alright, that's a good start to the episode, and that was half of my battle already. Cool. So we beat the Mafia.
So what do these things do anyway? Are they some sort of rare collector's item for nerds?
I don't quite know.
Are they some sort of rare Wait. Huh? Whoa. What? What? Did you know about this? This is crazy! Do you even realize what could be done with these? We could make it so that you never got punched in the face by the Mafia that one time. We could beat up the Mafia, travel back in time, and then beat them up again. No, wait. We can make it so the Mafia never arrived on the island.
Yeah.
Wait. Even better. We could be crime-fighting time travelers.
Yeah. Well, I kind of need this for my own thing, so...
Wait, what? This doesn't make any sense. You have all this power, and you're not going to use it to fight evil?
No. I suppose not.
If you're not going to use them to fight evil, then I will. I'm not going to let this island remain as Mafia Town. I'll collect all the timepieces for myself. You have my word on it.
Right. Yeah, not great. All right, cool. What next? All right, this is taking a little bit. Oh, okay, never mind. Okay, that's funny. Battle of the Birds, eh? I thought that was a door. All right. Well, I'll give this a shot.
This move
movie studio is too big for the both of us, DJ Grooves. The movie should be made by real birds.
Alright.
You moon penguins are just gonna write some loud, noisy dribble. If I wanted a bunch of picnics to dance around while on birdseed, ha! I'd visit my grandchildren.
Nonsense, darling, nonsense. You Owl Express birds are just gonna record another boring train-related western. You've done so for the last 10 years, darling.
What? No, we haven't, you buffoon!
Conductor, darling, this year we'll be winning the annual Bird Movie Award, as our new movie props will bring in the audiences. These shiny things fell from the sky. They will light our movie sets and fill them with glimmer.
Oh, yeah? Well, this time around, we're also spicing it up with our newest movie props. These hourglass thingies will be the grand jewel in our train heist western. What the what? You no good, dirty picnics! You've copied our props!
I would never, darling. Clearly, you're the one who took inspiration in my flashy new props.
Oh, that does it! Get out of here with ya! I've got a movie to record!
Fine by me, darling. But we'll be the ones who win the annual Bird Movie Award. Mark my word.
Yep. I need those.
Oh, yeah? Let's see how well you do when you can't get into the reception. Oh, wait, shutting the picnics inside the studio will force them to work harder. All right, time to go, owls. Let's make our killer movie. Oh, and, receptionist, can you please close off that vent already? I don't want the smell of penguin to come anywhere near my crew.
Okay.
You penguins ready to record the next scene? Let's do this! Action!
Let's make this movie happen! Owls, in position, action! What are you doing in the background? What the heck is wrong with you?
magnificent, stunning. This trophy is everything I desire on the shelf in my living room. Of course, this big trophy is just a plastic replica. The actual trophy is really tiny.
Yeah. Hello.
Oh my, what is that I see? Is it true inner beauty? An innocent soul with a heart of gold?
I just destroyed like I just racked up $215,000 worth of charges. I'm assuming that equates to dollars. Whatever those are called.
Oh no, it's just a little girl.
Charges.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh wait, you're not a penguin. That's good. I could use some non-penguin company around here, as all my penguins are frankly terrible actors. Here's the biz. I need your help. I'm on a terrible losing streak, and I just have to win this next annual Bird Movie Award. There's no doubt I absolutely must have you as the star. Here, let me take care of this.
Oh.
We need to give you a bird passport, darling. Step right over here. The most important part of a passport is the picture, darling. You have to look flashy and stunning. Step right over here. Let's take the pic. Okay, put on a smile and stand still, please. Don't move. Let's see how the picture turned out. Oh, darling, you moved! The picture is ruined! We've got to fix this ugly mugshot up with some old-fashioned photo doctoring. Here, take these markers and turn yourself into the most stylish, fashionable young lady. Perfect! Let's slide this picture into your passport.
I didn't do
and
anything to it.
here you go. One passport for you. Wonderful, darling. Oh, just wonderful. Meet me at the movie set tomorrow and we'll make you a star.
Hey!
Alright.
What you think you're doing? Oh, you can't just jump in and fiddle with the annual Bird Movie Awards. That's fraud! Fraud! Hey, everyone! We've got a fraudster over here!
No.
Oh, where are my owl guards at? Why are the owls so darn useless?
I don't know.
All right, listen here, lass. You're in big trouble. If you're helping crooked DJ Grooves rig the awards, and I can't take you to jail, then you're got to help me even the score. That's right. You're got to be the star of my movies, too.
Okay.
Here, hold our newest prop. Practice showing it off and bring it to my movie set tomorrow. You got that? Don't be late.
Well, guys, that's about it for today's video. It was a little longer than I expected, but so was that level, so I guess it checks out. Can't wait to keep playing this game. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.